Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a person who thinks music is important and enjoys music. You should say who this person is. How do you know him, her? What music does she like? Why does she think music is important? And explain how you feel about him, her. My cousin Arjun is one guy I know who has a strong love for music. Since he was a teenager, he has been singing and playing the guitar as a professional musician. According to Arjun, music is a means of connecting with others and expressing feelings in addition to being a form of enjoyment. Since he is my older cousin, I have known him since I was a young child, and we have spent a lot of time together. I still recall how everyone would listen to him with admiration when he played the guitar at family get-togethers. His passion for music has only deepened over time, and he now records his own songs in addition to performing live at music festivals and concerts. Although Arjun appreciates a variety of musical styles, he has a special affinity for rock, classical, and Indian fusion music. In addition to traditional Indian musicians, he enjoys the music of A.R. Rahman, Coldplay, and the Beatles. In addition, he enjoys writing his own songs that combine Indian and Western musical influences. I can tell how much music affects his mood and thinking since he loses himself in it whenever he listens to it. Arjun views music as a way of life rather than only a pastime. He thinks that music has the ability to uplift, inspire, and make people happy. He once told me that music quickly improves his mood if he is feeling anxious or depressed. Additionally, he thinks that music unites people regardless of the language they speak. He frequently performs at charity events in order to use his music to disseminate uplifting messages. Additionally, he promotes learning musical instruments for young children, arguing that music enhances creativity and promotes mental calm. I genuinely respect Arjun's enthusiasm and commitment to music. I adore how he uses his songs to connect with people, and he has motivated me to appreciate music on a deeper level. Everybody around him feels uplifted and at ease when he plays the guitar because of his infectious love of music. Having someone so gifted and driven in my family makes me proud.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.